Hello and welcome to day 2 in Varanasi. So today we just got ready. We are going to have breakfast now, and this is the thing I got yesterday because I left luggage at home, and I got more things for the next 2 days. So yeah, we just got ready and now we will go have breakfast. The section everyone must stay away from, but I won't. I will eat. So because it's Republic Day today, they've made everything in the Indian tricolor thing, even the idli or the bread, everything they've made it in this tricolor. So we just went to a temple and came. Kashi Vishwanath temple. I'll put up a photo for you guys to see. I couldn't record there because they didn't let us take phones inside. They didn't let us take anything inside. Even watch, they told us to remove, keep it in car and then go. But yeah, we went there. Too much crowd was there, so we couldn't see the idol of the god properly. They just pushed everyone around. But yeah, I got this also. Nice it is. Everyone got that. It's nice. Now we are headed towards another temple. Right now everyone stopped car somewhere to drink tea, and we are just sitting here waiting for them to finish and come back and go to the next location.
रिलेटेड 4 हॉलिक प्लेसेस जैसे हमारे यहाँ 4 धाम होते हैं सर। एक आपके साउथ में रामेश्वरम, उसी तरह बुद्धिज्म में वो बड़ा वाला जो वॉल दिख रहा है पेड़ के पास सर, दिस इज अ फीमेल सेक्शन। ओके, उधर फीमेल रहती थी मंक लोग, इधर मेल जेंट्स लोग रहते थे। दोनों भाग ओरिजिनल म्यूजियम के अंदर है। अभी प्रेजेंट टाइम हम लोग चलेंगे, उसको देखेंगे। ओके, एक मोनोलिथिक्स था 15.25 मीटर, लगभग 50 फीट। ओके, पिक्चर ले लीजिए, इसके बाद हम लोग नेक्स्ट आगे चलेंगे। times.
Okay.
We saw inside, and there was like.
So we just visited a historical site of Buddha, it seems. We saw all the places where he, used to stay, where the libraries were and everything else. Very nice. And how people demolished it and stuff, and how all the relics now are placed in the museum. So we just finished that museum part and stuff, and now we came to another temple. It's a new temple, it seems. They've built it very recently and it looks nice. The architecture and all is really nice. Let me show you guys how it looks, and then we will talk more about it a little bit, whatever knowledge I know. So that is the temple. Apparently it's called Dhyan Mandir. It's used for meditation and stuff. Yeah, I tried to Google it also to give you some information about it, but even on Google nothing was there. So yeah, that's all I have. It's just a temple where you meditate. Very knowledgeable I am. You guys should follow my preachings. That is also done, and now the time is almost 2, and we had breakfast morning around 7:30, so everyone is very hungry right now. From here we will go straight for lunch.
We are traveling.
Where?
We are traveling to temple.
Yeah, temple.
Golden temple.
Yes, golden temple. ನಾವಿರೋದಲ್ಲಿ golden temple ಇರೋದಲ್ಲಿ.
We are going Lotus temple.
Hotel.
Oh, we are going to water to swim.
ನೀನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಗೋದು ನಿನಗೆ ಚಳಿ.
My brother is telling simply, I will go and swim. Today we are going to water to swim. Okay, my brother will not come to swim. I will go to swim. My mama also will not come to swim.
ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಯಾರು?
And my mama also will not come. And this brother also will not come. Guys, I will only go.
ನೀನೇ ಹೋಗು, ನೀನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
And this mom also will not come.
ಮಾಮಲ್ಲ
My mother also will not come. Only I will go.
ನಿನ್ನ ರೂಮಲ್ಲೇ ತಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
They came means I will beat them. Okay, bye.
So we just had lunch and now we are headed towards our hotel room. Currently the time is around 3:30, 4 o'clock. Still we have so much time. So what we are going to do is we will go to our room, change and then go swimming. Yesterday I checked, there should be a good swimming pool here. So we will go there, have a good swim, have a good time. We have successfully reached swimming pool with my brother, mama and my sister. And and no one is here, so it's like private pool for us. Yeah, it's very cold, obviously. It's literally freezing cold, but I like playing with death. Danger is my middle name. So yeah, let's go swimming.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. I just found out that this hotel had a gym as well. Little bit free weights, a few machines, 2 benches. Not much, but enough to get the work done. Ooh, I look good. Rob trying to get inside water from that time and it's so fucking cold that I'm just not able to. This is at least better. This is like decent enough. But the pool water is literally freezing cold. It's literally like one ice water. Fucking hell. Also look at the view. Like, oh my god. Nice it is. I like playing with death. Danger is my middle name. Oh my. Finally, I have successfully entered water. And it's like freezing cold. Like, oh my god, cold it is. The temperature is already around like below 15 degrees.
Hi guys, it's so cold.
Yeah, the temperature is already below 15 degrees. So the water is like extra cold. It's literally like, you know, that ice water bath. Very intense, very painful type of cold it is. But it's nice. Once that I stepped into it, now I don't feel that it's that cold, but it is still very cold. Oh my god. Jump ಮಾಡು, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Jump. It's nice to bully kids.
Don't do like that.
After a good swim, we finally came back to our room. Everyone took bath and we are just very tired. He's sleeping there. Vilas is sitting there. And we are very sleepy actually. We are very tired. And my brother has called the reception. He's asking when will the dinner services start, so that we can go down, have dinner and then come up and just sleep because it was damn tiring. And yeah, that was it for this video. Hope you all liked it. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, and See you all in the next episode of this Varanasi series. Until then, take care and goodbye.